I think a lot of people may not think your environment affects how you learn. Our school does an amazing job at constantly putting you in an environment of peacefulness.
We have a lot of great spaces for students to study, get together in study groups, great rooms for lectures and classes and small group discussions, and also some really great outside space with some pretty trees and greenery.
The campus is maintained in such a beautiful way. You're constantly at peace just walking from area to area. The Alt-C has that beautiful view overlooking the city, overlooking the hills where you can see the sunrise. And it's so beautiful and such a peaceful place to study, and you get in such a mindset knowing life is more than just what you're reading in your books.